The hatch function is a very useful tool that helps you to provide to the project very valuable information. In previous tutorials, we've seen the different methods to insert hatches to the drawing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert patterns and images with the area insertion method. In this floor plan, I have created the insulation chambers using the chamber tool. The chambers are made out of lines, and the walls and partitions are created using the wall functions. So let's start by inserting a hatch inside the insulation chambers. For this, go to the hatch function and select the predefined frame type. Now choose one of the patterns from the list and specify an angle and spacing or scale if needed. In this case, I'll keep it with a size of 1. Make sure you have the area insertion method checked and press OK. Now you can choose a color and start clicking on one of the lines of the chambers to insert the hatch. If for some reason the hatch is not inserted correctly, undo and click on a different line. To insert an image as a hatch, go to the hatch function, select the image frame type, and choose an image from your library. Now you can specify the scale of the hatch and check the area insertion method. To insert the image in a specific area, just click on the inner side of the wall and the hatch will be inserted automatically. Now, you might want to see the side of the wall clearer. To do this, you can select all the hatches of the drawing with the Smart Selection function. To do this, go to Utilities, Selection, Smart Selection. Click on the plus sign icon in Objects and select Hatch. Now make a selection box around the whole drawing and right-click to select all the hatches. Now you can go to Utilities and select Send to Back. This way all the hatches will be placed beneath the rest of the geometry of the drawing.